And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 103. Let me show you how you can create a glow text effect. Start with the type tool, left click on the canvas, type it in. Let me give that a different color. I've got the move tool active now. And I size it a little bit up. I press Ctrl A and now can put it in center with these functions up here. Right click on the text layer, then find the blending options, left click on it, and at the bottom above drop shadow it should say outer glow. Check the box, then left click on this category, we'll set it to normal for the blending mode, crank up the opacity, and now we change the color. So it was set to white, therefore we couldn't see it. Let me make that red for now. Let's go over the basic functions. We can add noise. You can't reposition that, so this is not something where you can left click drag on a canvas. You could also give it a gradient glow. As I said, we want to stick to a red color. Most important are under elements, the adjustment for spread and size, because this is for the, how you could say, the size and the blurriness. So how far this grows from the center, which is the text. For our specific effect, we want to change the preset right here in the quality contour. We've got many to choose from. We want to use the last one, which is the sawtooth one. And here we can further adjust it using range. Make sure that it fits your size. And jitter doesn't do anything for the specific contour, so we can just ignore that. We'll confirm. And keep in mind you can still adjust the color for the basic text, so let me make that red too. And you can also still adjust the text itself by using the type tool. Just press T, left click on this text element, and then you can add whatever you want. And this will also be given the glow effect. If you want to adjust the glow, double click here on outer glow, the menu should pop up. And this is how you can add a glow to text using Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.